in place what I'm going to move. Then for the local people, we have done this project called Kenya, which is opening about 1,000 acres for the local people. And at the same time also we have done another one contract. And we are at 70% capacity. At the same
70%?
Yes.
Which will be ready by when?
This one will be ready by the end of January next year. So all this
I'll start clearing the water. Where is it? Correct.
That's yes, that's why now we have meeting time and now out the water. But also I want to assure you as we are handling the water, the normal flow of the water will not be interrupted. It's from when from down.
So it fills?
The field now is moved down from the top of that tower. And we go through there. Then gate is the other side.
Okay.
That's now from where down to the court. And we were allowed to get the right material within the dam.
Good.
So we are getting material from there up to here. After that, we have some savings. The short of that, we have not that material enable us to really control the again, that white line is the level of water.
So inakuja hapa alafu ile line nyingine hivi.
But the important aspect what we do actually
Watu ndio wanakosa maji.
never do.
No, what I'm saying is as you're filling to put it in.